The Birds are back. And fresh off the bye week, they hop right into a doozy against the divisional rival Cowboys on Sunday night at AT&T Stadium, 8:30 p.m. NBC. Will the Eagles, 8-1, push their win streak to 8 games? Or will the Cowboys, 5-4, answer the bell at home and keep things interesting in the NFC East? Here are our expert predictions for the Week 11 matchup. Eagles-Cowboys rivalry. Nothing new for Ajayi. Reuben Frank, 9-0, Eagles 38, Cowboys 11. Usually, I work my way up to the actual prediction and try to build up a tremendous level of anticipation with a bunch of mumbo-jumbo about matchups, trends, analytics and whatnot before getting around to the pick. But not this week. I'm not messing around here. The Eagles are going to crush this team. Here's a stat I love. Since 2000, the Cowboys have lost 21 games by at least 22 points. 10 of them, almost half, have been against the Eagles. And 5 of their 7 home losses since 2000 by 22 or more points have been at the hands of the Eagles. Don't believe me? Eagles notes, quotes, and tidbits. Zach Ertz's blocking much improved. 2000 at Texas Stadium, Eagles 41, Cowboys 14. 2001 at the Vet, Eagles 40, Cowboys 18. 2001 at Texas Stadium, Eagles 36, Cowboys 3. 2002 at the Vet, Eagles 44, Cowboys 13. 2002 at Texas Stadium, Eagles 27, Cowboys 3. 2003 at the Link, Eagles 36, Cowboys 10. 2004 at Texas Stadium, Eagles 49, Cowboys 21. 2008 at the Link, Eagles 44, Cowboys 6. 2011 at the Link, Eagles 34, Cowboys 7. 2014 at AT&T Stadium, Eagles 33, Cowboys 10.